Alright, to replace cushions on your Marshall Monitor Free A.N.C, the first thing we need to do is to remove the all-ear cushions. So, first thing first, do not pull on the leather part as you may tear it. And also, do not try to rotate the whole earpiece itself because you'll break it. So, what to do? We need to find this line in the middle of this leather piece and the plastic part. So here you can see this line. We need to hold the earpiece at this line. And now just turn them counterclockwise and remove easily. So you will need to simply turn them counterclockwise, I'm reminding you, and now you can remove them easily. So here is clockwise and this is counterclockwise. So you need to take your earbud like that, not like this, not like that, like this, and counterclockwise would be this direction. You will need to simply pull it like that. Great. Now reverse. Let's insert new cushions. Unfortunately, I don't have spare one, so I'm gonna use the same cushion. Now, the secret to success is 10-degree angle, but we are not here to learn geometry, right? So I'm gonna show you easier way how to connect new cushions. To do this, we would need to connect this convex part on the top of the earpiece to that concave slot on the cushion. So take your earpiece, and now you would need to compare them and connect like this. So let me show you how it should look on the top, on the sides. Great. And now we would need to make sure you turn them at the right angle. So just twist them clockwise until they snap into the place, like that. And just take a look at the size. Everything should fit properly and perfectly. And yeah, we got this. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.